Help me. Please. Please help me.
I want to play a game. There is an electric device in your head that will activate when triggered. Your objective is to find the correct key, and if you fail to do so, your head shall melt from the inside out. Make the correct choice. Let the games begin. Hello there. You're alive. That's good. Let's play another game. The device in the corner is a water pump that will soon start pumping water into the room quickly. In 40 seconds, your lungs will fill up with water and stop your airflow completely. Turn the valves back to normal before time's up. Let the games begin. Hello again. Let's play a game. The man in front of you is chained down and is completely helpless. But with your help, he shall be saved. This man is the key to the exit, as if you fail to save this man, the exit shall never be opened and you will be trapped here forever. Make the correct decision. Let the games begin. Hello, I want to play a little game. All around you is a maze that seems to never end. Find the correct path to your salvation. Let the games begin.